guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a home haul. Oh yeah. Calling this a fall home haul, which first of all, I know this is going to be like upsetting at this moment. This is not my Halloween decor haul. I don't feel ready. I am probably filming this a bit in advance to when you're gonna see it, but I am filming this early September. Target, as of this moment as I'm filming, hasn't even like come out in stores with their stuff yet. I have been on the hunt for Johanna Parker stuff, which if you've watched my Halloween stuff before, if you've seen my shelf Sundays last year on my Instagram, you guys know that I am a huge fan of the Johanna Parker collection that comes out for Home Goods. We could talk about that more in depth in the Halloween video, but it is a bit of a hunting game. You know, anything at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods is. But I have had so much luck this year and I just feel like I'm not done with my luck. There's still a few pieces on my wish list and I just don't feel done. So I do have an epic Halloween haul for you. I'm just not ready to film it and I do want to give Target a chance to play into the mix there, although I will say the last couple years I have not loved Target's releases. But today's video I'm calling a fall decor haul. I can't speak. All I wanted to say was tour. Does this ever happen to you where like, or your mouth wants to say something but your brain's like, that's not it. That's what just happened. This is one of the most requested videos that I do here on my channel and I haven't done one since last November. I really have, ever since moving to this house, ever since basically packing up our old apartment, unpacking it here, really knowing what I have, I just have a desire to like absolutely love everything I own, and I am so careful with what I buy now, and I'm not saying like I don't buy anything because I certainly do, but I am super careful of the pieces I bring in. I make sure that they, you know, match the vibe of our home, match a certain room if I'm trying to match it to that, and I just feel like I've pared down what I purchased. That being said, I have a whole haul for you today. This is mostly because I took a trip to Ikea. I've been looking online at some things from Ikea for a while now and ended up picking up half of them. Half the stuff I saw in person and I was like, I don't like that as much, or it wasn't what I thought it would be. But I picked up some stuff from Ikea that I am really excited about. I mainly wanted to share that, and then there's just a couple other random pieces that I've picked up here and there. I'm always really like, I guess, self-conscious when I do home hauls because I got a comment once that was like, all you do is haul plant pots and vases, and that's pretty much what today's haul is. But like, that's what I like to decorate with. I like to decorate with plants. I love vases. I love bud vases for propagating and herbs. I do have some candle stuff and candle accessories, as well as some stuff for our dining room that we're trying to get together. So yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to share. So I'll shut up and get into it. So let's start with Ikea. So this, I'm so excited for. I have, where is it in this home? Oh, it's on our kitchen shelf. It's called I think it's called the Gratis plant pot. I'm not sure. It's a pink situation. It looks just like this with the pink line detail. It's, I think, the exact same color, but this is more of like a vase, and I just think it's so beautiful. This will match any room in our house. It will match any of the vibes, and I just thought it was so beautiful. I have learned, I do have quite a few like bright colored or like bright patterned vases, and if I have just like an all white bouquet of flowers, that works out, but sometimes I have like a colorful bouquet and they clash. So I've learned when I'm buying vases that I might prefer just like solid colors. They can be a bright color, they can be whatever, but you'll see I have another vase that's just a solid color because I've learned that that's what I gravitate towards. And although this is like pink, I should also say I'm in a pink mood lately. A lot of the stuff is like mauve, pink, muted, pink, nude, you know, that kind of thing. But I think we'll get great use out of this, and so I'm very excited about it. This was the main reason I wanted to go to Ikea. Look how beautiful and cute this little planter is. It is literally $5, I think. You know I'm a bitch for a scalloped edge. You know I'm a bitch for like polka dot texture, and it's just cream and white. I was just thinking, I'm gonna put my propagated pothos in this, but then it would cover the cute scallops. So maybe I'll get something that sticks up a little bit more. I am due for a trip to our garden center, our favorite one. Not a lot of our houseplants have died. We just have pots that need plants. It is unreasonably hot in Los Angeles right now as I'm filming this. It's honestly quite rude. I was talking to my brother about it. He's like, Amy, this happens every September. I don't know what you're so upset about. I was like, well, I Like, I don't know, it's just catching me off guard this year. But yeah, we're having to like do extra TLC to some of our plants and move them to places that are cooler in the house because it is hot. Basically, I thought I would put a pothos in this, but it would cover the cuteness, so now I have to rethink that. But I love this so much. Another plant pot, another scallop. How good is this? It's like this pearl green. I have nothing like this. I'm obsessed with this. I think I'm gonna put it over on, there's like a little dresser that I got from Home Goods for like 150 bucks. It's one of my favorite pieces of furniture we have so far. Anyway, that doesn't matter. But I think I'm gonna put this on top of this because it matches the bedspread. I like the green. I don't know what plant I'm gonna put in it yet, but I think that would look really nice. Or I eventually wanna I might wait a while because Milo is walking now. He is a full-on walking man and he wreaks havoc on this hallway. We finally got a baby gate, and so it's safe for him to just like, you know, run around. And so a table in his way might not be the smartest right now, but eventually we are going to have a table back in the hallway as you come up the stairs, and this would look nice on that as well. Just again, I'm trying to buy pieces that are versatile, that will fit in multiple places as I, you know, sometimes get the desire to shuffle things around. I love a scallop, you guys know it. And then the last like vase item I got from Ikea was this, I love this so much. It's just white with these, you know, detail. It reminds me of like the 90s, but like not dated, if that makes sense. But I love the roundness of it. And again, any type of flower I bring home will look good in a white vase, so I just thought that would be cute. I think this one was $12.99. The pink one was also $12.99. Not sure about the green one. But if I can find these online, I will link them down below. But I love this. And then these, I did not like preconceive getting these. I saw them on somebody's Instagram story, so I did want to check them out. But they are these beautiful pink drinking glasses. Editing Amy here. So I was looking online at these glasses and they're apparently vases. So take that for what you will. I still think they look like drinking glasses. Can I still use them as drinking glasses? I don't know. Let me know what you think. But I definitely thought they were drinking glasses. But they look beautiful as a vase too. I just did want to update you. Okay, back to past Amy. I am trying to have an all pink dining room. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we have this extraordinary buffet table we found on Facebook Marketplace for an incredible deal. It is a stunning piece of furniture. It fits in our dining room so perfectly. We refinished it because it needed to be repainted. We went back and forth and we were gonna go for this color called Cherry Taupe, which is still a color I really like. It's kind of like a mauve gray, kind of like a cherry taupe, like red gray. But Bradley was like, I think we should do something more mauve. And I was like, that is not a problem for me. So the piece isn't like bright pink, but it is certainly like pink. It's mauve. It is stunning. I love it. And it now is like my inspiration. If you remember back in January, we got a free table and chairs off Facebook Marketplace. We are refinishing the table. It's actually sanded and ready. At first we're gonna paint the table pink, but then our plan changed and now I think we're going to stain the table. So we just have to figure it all out. But like with a wood table, like some pink chairs, pink everything. Like I love it. But even if pink everything doesn't work out, some pink things just to match the buffet table. Ikea glasses are pretty affordable for how nice they are. So I was like, let's get a set of 8 for, you know, when we have company over, because we do want to be those people. We want to throw dinner parties, we want to host Thanksgivings, Christmases, like we want to be those people, and I want matching glassware. And so these were $6 each, which is, you know, anytime you're buying like a set of glasses, unless they come as a set, it's gonna be a lot. But like, these look like Anthropologie to me, but they are not Anthropologie prices, and I love the way they look. I haven't used them yet, so I'll let you know. But like they're not cheap plastic like you'd get at Target. They're made in France, they're fancy, and I love the shape of them. So got those to try out, and hopefully we'll be back to buy 6 more, have a matching set. Because also the buffet table has a bunch of storage. I know a lot of people like have their dining room table set all the time. I don't think I want to be that type of person. I want to be able to like sit down and use it if I want to edit in there or something. Eventually Milo can do his homework, how cute, you know, whatever. So I'll be able to keep all of the dining ware in that buffet table if it fits. So excited for the future and those sort of things. Okay, that wraps it up for Ikea. I'll quickly mention these. I went to World Market. I did mention these in my latest favorites video. I can link that up in the corner, so I'll briefly touch on it. But they released my favorite bud vases in these two new beautiful colors for fall. It's kind of like a mustard yellow and an amber color. They're so beautiful. As I said in that video, I use these for a lot of things, for propagating plants, for herb clippings that we're keeping in the kitchen just for easier access while we're cooking, bud vases for little flowers. Like, I just use them for all sorts of things. They're $2.50. They're great quality. They're super cute. There's some of those that I've had for years that I am still using all the time. And they also just look cute. Like, herbs in this on the windowsill is so cute. I propagate in these most of the time on windowsills, and it just like adds decor as well as being functional. So I love these. As I'm filming this, I haven't been able to find these colors online. I can link just the clear version down below if you just like this vase. But if you like these colors, definitely go into World Market and check it out. World Market is such a fabulous store. I didn't grow up going there and kind of discovered it a few years ago. It is stunning. We have furniture from there. My office chair is from there. We love it. They do have a whole Halloween selection, which I do plan on purchasing a couple of things from that for the Halloween haul, which I need to get on. See, I'm just not ready for the Halloween haul. I'm preparing to get shit for not uploading that instead of this, but it's coming, I promise. Also from World Market, I've had my eye on this for a while. It's just a candlestick. I love World Market candlesticks. I have quite a few. I have one by my bathtub. I guess not quite a few, just a couple. I have a lot from Anthropologie as well. A candlestick, lit in one of these fancy things is just so fancy and so, I don't know, so I clearly needed this for the dining room. I didn't really know what my plan was, so I only bought one, but I think it's a permanent collection, so I can go back and buy another one. But I just loved the detail here. You'll see in the close-up. And I love how it's pink, but it's like see-through. I just am really into this. So I picked that up. And then lastly, I have some Anthropologie sale finds. This one I ordered online. I still can probably link it, but it's just this trinket dish. I just really liked the color, I liked how it's this like nude yellow and then it's like this mauve on the inside. I ordered this for my office just as for like a catch-all of, you know, there's just tiny things in your office you want to throw them somewhere. So I liked the shape, the vibes of this. So I picked that up for super cheap. That was an online order that I added to one of my pumpkin dish towels. You'll see that. You've seen it on this channel and on my Instagram, but you'll see it again in the Halloween haul. Now physically in the room itself, this is, it's so random, but I love it. So it's like a chip and dip thing to serve. Obviously, if you're having a huge party, this won't work. But if you're just having like a girls' night or a couple friends over, or even just like I want to set something out for me and Bradley to snack on, like how convenient. You put like veggies and ranch, chips and dip, you know, whatever you want. But I just thought it was so cute. My sale room they had a few, and they had it in yellow too, and I almost bought both colors, and I was like, Amy, you do not need both colors. But it was on sale for $12, and I think I got 30% off of it. So like, I am obsessed with this. I just think it is so cute and so fun, and I like the color. And then I've mentioned these, I think in a favorites video, just because I was so stoked to get them on sale. I've had my eye on these pillar candles for a while. I haven't used them because I plan on using them by the bathtub, and it's been too hot for baths. I have not had a bath in quite a while, but I love how they're a pillar shape, like they have the, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. So a hexagon, right? Not an octagon. But I just love how colorful they were. They'll look cute on like a little candle stand, and I will totally burn them, and there's no scent, which I love because I'm now like, now that I've taken a huge step back from candles, except for my, you know, nostalgic ones. That's a pumpkin spice Yankee one, of course. Basically the only 2 candles I will burn, 3 candles. Pumpkin spice Yankee candle, Christmas Eve Yankee candle, and the whipped cream and pear. What is something? The one from Anthropologie that I love. Those are pretty much the only 3 candles I burn. Everything else just kind of irritates me. I am that bitch now. So I like that these are unscented, and I'm very excited to decorate the side of my tub with these. Maybe I will use the orange one for Halloween. But yeah, guys, that is it for my home haul for today. I have a lot of these. I can link my playlist up in the corner if you want to watch more of them. Like I've said several times in this video, stay tuned. My Halloween home decor haul will be coming. Not exactly sure when, but it will be coming this month, hopefully. I guess, you know, I can't predict the future, but that is my plan. But yeah, what I can link down below, I will link, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram to see how I use all of these. I tend to do like quick reels on how I decorate pieces and shelf Sundays and like that. So if you're into that, please follow me there. It's at Amy Lynn Butch, and I'll have it here on the screen. But other than that, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great day. I will see you very soon in a new video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.